This quick update what happened. I've been away for 1 month and I was making my own shop here. Take out, if you see previous my shop, which is taking out all the upside. You see, this is the used wood I use back, the old woods, and just making my shop back. You can see this is my PC says here, and this is my project which I still working on right now, which is later I will be showing in the video as well. This is still a secret. And here we got soldering station. This is where I place all the oscilloscope here. I haven't played with the oscilloscope. Will be playing later. Here is the soldering station which I still working on it. And then you can see this is which is all my parts bin. See from starting here, high watt, diode, and much more. There's two of the parts bin here, which is another one which is the extra parts bin, which I got like my library of the electronic component, starting from the electronic capacitor, and as well as going to the different kind of, and we go up as well. We can go up some more. I thought I wanted to make the stairs. I don't know, I'm not sure with the ideas yet. Can make the stairs to go up to the boxes of stock of electronics. See, up here is all my extra stuff. You see, adapter, 5V 3-prong pin. Still want to upgrade my fan. I'm not sure want to put the ceiling fan at top, because right now I was using this fan. See, while I was soldering, I can see the outside view, which is quite nice. Yeah, while doing work and while relaxing, you can solder. And then, okay, this is the stuff which I selling electronic stuff. Here, packaging for the customer to buy. Ovens, got some water heater, I think, vacuum, all these components. Some is I sell it as spare part, which I just want to let go. Some is I repair it and I let go to the customer, sell it to the customer. Okay, this one someone want to buy it later. And I got various power supply here. This is all the parts of the power supply board. I got various here. This is all my salvage electronic board, motherboard as well. I take the component parts as well. What I did is, I think I want to clear up this place and make a new shelf, maybe for the sailing stuff. I'm not sure. That is what I was planning. I already changed the black blind. I just changed the black blind for the here, so it look nice. When on the night, I'll be closing on like this. The blind is quite nice though. See. So when I'm closing my shop, so my shop was closed now. And yeah, that's what it is. Then I try to update in the night. Once I'm done with the fully renovation for my room, then I will be re-update a new video again. The wood what I did is which is quite shiny though. This is very quality wood. I just reuse back the old wood which I mentioned just now. And this what I do is like I just varnish it. The color I varnish the wood, so it must look shiny and it's completely very attractive. My room which is involved in 3 color, which is I just involve black, white, and brown. 3 color as a theme for this. Hey guys, that's about it. I will update again another part. This is part 1. Part 2 I will upgrade again for my room. See what I do for much upgrade version. This is just like beta version, because I just making this beta version of my room. I will upgrade more after I will publish my full version for my room video. Okay guys, that's about it. This one maybe I will be try to clean it everything here. That's why also I have to clean it. Okay guys, that's about it for this video. I was just on the update while I was away for 1 month what I was doing. Actually I was doing my room and doing some business as well for income a bit. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye.